This could be Samsung's biggest surprise of the year. For the first time in history, Samsung is expected to release a brand new ultra smartphone that is as ultra as the Galaxy S24 Ultra. According to the newest report from WinFuture, we may finally see a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Previously, we heard that Samsung was working on a cheaper version of the Fold, but that has now been reversed, and it is believed that there is a higher-end version of the Fold 6 that might be dubbed the Z Fold 6 Ultra. Samsung will surely go all out when it comes to specifications, including the greatest camera ever placed on a foldable phone. Perhaps the previous speculations about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 receiving the same cameras as the S24 Ultra were for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra variant. Again, nothing is confirmed at this time. This is merely a rumor, and we have yet to receive additional information from other sources on the subject. In terms of Samsung's upcoming unpacking event, it could take place much sooner than thought. The next unpacking event is scheduled for July 1st, and it will feature the Flip 6, Fold 6, and speculated Fold 6 Ultra models. As expected, Samsung has fine-tuned the Galaxy Z Fold 6, making it 1.4mm shorter and 2.6mm wider than the previous model. The render depicts the two sides of the gadget folding almost completely flat, with little to no panel gap. However, this may be more prominent in the actual device. We know that Samsung has been attempting to shrink the panel gap and make the two parts as flush as possible, and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 could be an improvement in this regard. The phone has a 7.6-inch primary display and a 6.2-inch cover display. So there we go. Let me know what you think about the Fold 6 Ultra, which could be Samsung's biggest surprise in 2024. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.